You are lucky to have selected this video to watch. Today, we are going to introduce you to our guru, Matt, and his brilliant strategy. Do you want to potentially hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? That is a milestone every creator dreams of. Matt's strategy is the how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, plus his completely free training. Do you want to potentially hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube? That is a milestone every creator dreams of. Matt's strategy is the how to make money on YouTube without recording videos, plus his completely free training. Even if you have been around for a while, you are in the right place, because we are introducing you to our guru, Matt. Matt has made hundreds of dollars per day ever since he was 15 years old using YouTube. After you have watched this intro video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Have you ever seen someone who has money without a partner? Hello, friends. Matt started his online money-making journey when he was just 14. By 15, he was making more than most of his friends. By 16, Matt was making more than his parents. Matt is not saying this to brag by any means. He is not acting like he is some sort of genius or something, but he does feel incredibly lucky. He has stumbled across what is, in his opinion, the best way of making money online that doesn't require you to work 24/7. Matt knows as a teenager that it can be hard to manage life. With school and everything else, it is difficult. But luckily, we live in a day and age that allows us to use leverage in order to make way more money than was possible in the past. For people Matt's age, Matt is about 24 years old as of 2025, he makes millions of dollars per year. Again, he is not saying that to brag, but just showing you what's potentially possible if you put in the work. Wouldn't you love to be in a position to retire just a few years or less into your new project? As a teenager, what's possible years down the line is almost unimaginable. Now, most people who watch this video are going to do nothing with it. Obviously, Matt cannot guarantee that you are going to make millions of dollars just by watching this video. What Matt can guarantee, though, is that you are going to learn the same exact tactics that brought him from zero to making well over $300 per day as a teenager. Today, Matt makes thousands of dollars every single day. The way that Matt started making money online was by running YouTube channels. Now, these are not YouTube channels like you are probably thinking of. It does not entail getting behind a camera, showing your face, and becoming an influencer. No, these are channels like Brainy Dose, for example, which just produces faceless content with a voiceover on top of that content. Your age doesn't matter. What you look like doesn't matter. All you have to do is record your voice, or even just use AI tools like 11 Labs to generate a voiceover for you to create videos like this. Today, Matt runs over 12 different YouTube channels that do just this. He makes over $330,000 per month just from ad revenue alone. Plus, not to mention well over $100,000 a month from many different monetization sources. Now, obviously, that won't happen overnight. But to get to the point where you are making a couple hundred per day doing this is more than possible. There are thousands of different channels that have reached this milestone. And again, your age doesn't matter or anything else. This is applicable not just for teenagers. No matter what your age, watching this video could potentially help you do this. Please like, subscribe, and comment on our video below. We will appreciate.
Hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube is a milestone every creator dreams of, one that marks a turning point in their journey. Matt knows this all too well. For some, it's a passion project, a way to share knowledge and creativity with the world. For others, it's about something bigger, turning a simple hobby into a steady stream of income. Whether it's about community, influence, or financial freedom, the goal remains the same: build a channel that stands out. And the secret? Finding the right niche. Matt understands that choosing a niche is more than just picking a topic. It's about creating an irresistible pull that draws viewers in. A focused niche allows content to resonate with a specific audience, fostering loyalty and engagement. It's what separates the casual creator from someone who makes money online with someone else's video, mastering YouTube cash cow strategies, and automating YouTube videos with AI. Without this foundation, content risks being lost in an ocean of mediocrity. In this breakdown, Matt reveals how to craft a channel that not only grows but thrives. Success on YouTube isn't just about showing up, it's about standing out. Matt urges aspiring creators to ask themselves critical questions. What unique spin can they bring? What problems can they solve? What kind of content do they enjoy watching themselves? These answers shape a niche that feels natural yet strategic, a space where creativity meets market demand. Two chicks with a side hustle YouTube channel might find success with gig economy insights, while others may dominate the cash cow space without ever showing their face. The power of niche selection goes beyond branding. It's the foundation of monetization. Matt has seen firsthand how a well-defined niche attracts not just viewers but loyal subscribers and brand partnerships. A focused channel isn't just a personal outlet, it's a business model. When done right, this approach opens doors to passive income streams and sponsorships, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem where content works for the creator, not the other way around. Viewers and subscribers are two different beasts, and Matt knows that turning the former into the latter requires more than just good content. If videos aren't attracting clicks, there's usually a reason. Poor branding, inconsistent uploads, or a failure to resonate with the audience can all sabotage growth. Even small details, like dull thumbnails or weak storytelling, can mean the difference between viral success and digital obscurity. To crack the code, Matt advises studying successful creators. What topics get traction? How do top-performing channels engage their audience? Every detail, from video structure to delivery style, plays a role in retention. Borrowing the right elements while maintaining originality allows new creators to craft compelling, binge-worthy content. The goal is simple: make videos so engaging that viewers have no choice but to subscribe. But there's more to it than just content. Matt emphasizes the importance of storytelling, turning a simple idea into an experience viewers can't ignore. The right mix of visuals, pacing, and narrative creates an emotional connection, converting casual viewers into loyal fans. And once that connection is built, subscribers follow naturally. It's about more than just views, it's about impact. Then there's the art of the first impression. Matt understands that most viewers decide whether to watch a video in mere seconds. This makes thumbnails and titles non-negotiable. A killer thumbnail grabs attention instantly. A strong title intrigues while setting clear expectations. Combined, they act as the ultimate hook, drawing viewers in before they even hit play. Matt's formula for eye-catching thumbnails is simple but effective. Bold colors, high contrast, and readable text. Red, yellow, and green create urgency, while sharp contrast ensures thumbnails pop against YouTube's crowded backdrop. Smart text placement ensures legibility even on mobile screens. A well-crafted thumbnail isn't just decoration, it's a silent salesman working 24/7 to boost clicks. Titles, on the other hand, must be clear yet enticing. Misleading clickbait is a trap, one that damages credibility and retention. Instead, Matt recommends a balance of curiosity and honesty, ensuring viewers know exactly what they're getting while being intrigued enough to click. Strategic keyword placement boosts discoverability, making it easier for the right audience to find the content. The journey to 1,000 subscribers isn't just about tactics, it's about mindset. Consistency beats perfection. Matt believes that waiting for the perfect video is a recipe for stagnation. Instead, he preaches relentless execution, learning, iterating, and improving with every upload. YouTube rewards those who persist, and the algorithm favors those who show up. In the end, success comes down to a mix of strategy, execution, and persistence. Whether it's through automating YouTube videos with AI, leveraging YouTube cash cow strategies, or mastering engagement tactics, the roadmap is clear. Matt's insights prove that with the right approach, anyone can build a thriving channel, turning YouTube into more than just a platform. It becomes a business, a brand, and a source of lasting income. Capturing and retaining an audience on YouTube demands compelling video content, and our guru Matt knows exactly how to do it. The first few seconds of a video determine whether a viewer stays or leaves, making it essential to open with a question, an unexpected fact, or an enticing teaser. This immediate hook sets the tone, drawing viewers into the content. Audio quality is just as crucial. Poor sound drives viewers away, no matter how great the visuals are. Investing in a quality microphone ensures clear, balanced audio. As well, background music can enhance the experience, provided it supports rather than overshadows the voice. Clear, comfortable sound keeps viewers engaged longer. To sustain interest, our guru Matt employs curiosity loops, a technique that involves posing a question early and delaying the answer. This strategy compels viewers to stick around, eager for the resolution. Whether it's a mystery to unravel or a challenge to solve, anticipation is a powerful tool in YouTube automation. Ultimately, engaging content hinges on an immediate hook, high audio quality, and curiosity loops. These techniques increase viewer retention, fostering a dedicated audience. Whether running a hot model YouTube channel or a faceless AI-driven niche, these principles hold true for success. Cracking YouTube's algorithm is the key to visibility and channel growth. Viewer behavior influences promotion. Watch time, likes, comments, and subscriptions all play a role. Understanding these factors allows content creators to shape videos that trigger positive engagement, signaling to YouTube that the content is worth recommending. Trending topics offer another pathway to algorithmic success. Our guru Matt keeps a finger on the pulse of popular discussions within profitable niches. Timely, relevant content attracts searches and recommendations, boosting a channel's reach and increasing CPM on monetized videos. Retention remains king. The longer viewers stay, the better the algorithm treats the video. Strategies such as storytelling, compelling visuals, and interactive elements enhance engagement. High-quality content that keeps eyes on the screen signals YouTube to push videos further, fueling growth for multiple YouTube channels as a side hustle. Tracking analytics is another vital step. Understanding watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates enables data-driven decisions. Our guru Matt fine-tunes strategies by analyzing what works and discarding what doesn't, ensuring each upload performs better than the last. Asking for subscriptions requires finesse. Push too hard and viewers disengage. The key is authenticity. Instead of forcing the request, our guru Matt weaves it naturally into engaging content. Matt is treating it as an invitation rather than a demand. A subtle reminder, if this is helpful, consider subscribing, keeps the tone conversational. Providing value is the true incentive. When viewers feel enriched, be it through education, entertainment, or inspiration, they subscribe willingly. High-quality, AI faceless YouTube channel content that consistently delivers benefits encourages loyalty, making subscriptions feel like a natural next step. A well-structured channel page strengthens brand identity and improves discoverability. A compelling channel banner immediately conveys purpose, capturing attention. If you have no ideas, get help from the Fiverr website. They can create a banner for you cheaply. Bold colors, sharp images, and clear messaging reinforce the content's niche, whether it's an AI-driven YouTube affiliate business model or a traditional creator-focused approach. The About section plays a crucial role in searchability. Well-crafted descriptions, rich and relevant keywords, boost visibility. Special software we use can help. See at top of description. A concise, engaging summary that outlines content topics and posting schedules helps attract subscribers who align with the channel's theme. Tell the story of your business. Learning from established creators is invaluable. Our guru Matt analyzes successful channel pages, adapting effective strategies while maintaining originality. Observing what works and refining it for personal branding ensures long-term success and stronger audience appeal. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is just the first step in monetization, but many overlook the equally critical 4,000 watch-hour requirement. Our guru Matt emphasizes engagement-driven content to meet this benchmark, ensuring videos captivate audiences long enough to achieve monetization eligibility. Beyond basic YouTube Partner Program earnings, diversification unlocks greater financial potential. Revenue streams such as super chats, memberships, and merchandise integration offer lucrative opportunities. Additionally, affiliate marketing within a profitable niche or securing sponsorships transforms YouTube into a sustainable business model. Understanding monetization policies is non-negotiable. Ad placement rules, content restrictions, and community guidelines dictate earnings potential. Violations lead to demonetization or worse, jeopardizing a channel's income stream. Staying informed ensures long-term financial stability on the platform. To build a successful channel, niche selection remains paramount. Focusing content around a specific high CPM topic attracts a dedicated audience, increasing profitability. Whether diving into AI-driven automation, faceless YouTube strategies, or hot model influencer content, aligning with a lucrative niche accelerates growth. Viewer engagement determines success. Compelling thumbnails, irresistible titles, and audience interaction drive retention. The more engaged the audience, the greater the channel's expansion. Every detail, from content quality to presentation, contributes to long-term viability. A polished channel page rounds out the strategy. Cohesive branding, a strong About section, and well-organized playlists leave a lasting impression. These seemingly minor details influence audience perception and subscription decisions. For those looking to maximize YouTube's potential, action is essential. Our guru Matt urges aspiring creators to implement these principles, test strategies, and refine their approach. Success follows consistency, and by applying these tactics, any channel can thrive. In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.